Searching for an awning that's unlike the rest? Want to set your house apart with something that's stylish, modern and eco-friendly? You've come to the right place. We take great pride in our engineering skills, designing and developing attractive awnings that offer the best climate control results possible. We use mild steel to manufacture our frames, offering a flawless finish that simply can't be found anywhere else. We source our materials from the most trusted manufacturers in the business, providing unrivaled durability, strength and lifespan. With a variety of colours, shapes and sizes available, you have nothing to lose. Need a custom size? Allow us to tailor your vision to perfection. Want long-term peace of mind? All of our products are warranted, so you'll be guaranteed to enjoy years of flawless operation. There's a reason we're a leading name in superior awning installation. Give our friendly team a call today to find out why.